Capital punishment. Hey, can you execute someone who's insane? Well, that takes us to this week's case. It involves a real man, Vernon Madison. Vernon was a man that was convicted of murder, a single murder, 3 times. First 2 convictions were overturned on appeal, and on the 3rd conviction, it was suggested by the jury that he be given life imprisonment. The judge overruled that and found that he should be executed. He's waiting for execution. This is a result of a murder that took place in Mobile, Alabama. And his case went up on appeal to the 11th Circuit Court of Appeals, and there his attorneys argued he should not be executed because he is insane. He was so out of touch with reality, he didn't know the difference between right and wrong. And it was clear that he was suffering based upon physical examination by doctors from vascular dementia. And as I say, he was so out of touch with reality, he couldn't tell the difference between right and wrong. He knew he was in jail, he knew he had been sentenced to be executed, but he didn't know why. Well, based upon this, the 11th Circuit Court of Appeals agreed with his lawyers and said that he should not be executed, and he shouldn't be executed. Now, why does an appellate court make this kind of decision when this fella has been found guilty of murder in 3 separate trials? Well, we have capital punishment in the United States basically for 2 reasons. One reason is to punish the person who did this horrible crime. The second is to act as a deterrent to others who might be considering engaging in that kind of horrible criminal activity. Now, as to the first purpose, punishing the individual, if the individual is so out of touch with reality, so basically insane that they don't understand why they are being punished, why they're going to be executed, well, then that act, the punishment, the execution, becomes basically a random, inhumane act. It is cruel and unusual punishment, and that's prohibited by the United States Constitution. So what happened is Vernon was sent back to prison, and that's where he remains today. But he was not executed. So we bring you this case so that you understand when people talk about why can't the insane be executed, you have some understanding of that, at least as it is analyzed under the United States Constitution. We bring you this case, we bring cases every week so you understand how the law works. I'm David Allen.